Dead bugs on your car may be frustrating to deal with after driving, but they are not difficult to clean off. Luckily, here are some easy and effective ways to clean and remove them from your car. A bug scrubber pad safely and effectively removes tough bug residue without damaging your car's paint. Rinse the car thoroughly, especially the areas where bugs tend to accumulate the most, to loosen the bugs and dirt. Take the bug remover, shake it well, and then apply it evenly over the car's surface. Spray a light mist of water from a pressure washer over the surface, and patiently wait a few minutes to let the solution work. Start rinsing from top to bottom, beginning with the windshield and mirrors, then move down to the hood and front bumper. Gradually increase the water pressure for better results. Take a damp microfiber cloth and wipe the car's surface to remove any remaining dirt and grime. Then, take a bug scrubber pad and dip it in water, and gently scrub the car surface. By using this easy method, you can effectively clean and remove dead bugs from your car. Bug and tar remover easily dissolves stubborn stains, making bug cleanup quick and paint safe. It helps protect your car's finish by reducing the need for harsh scrubbing. Pour some warm water in a clean bucket. Then shake the bug and tar remover spray well to mix. Spray it evenly on the areas of the car with stubborn dead bugs, holding the bottle about 6 to 7 inches away from the surface. Let it sit for a few minutes to fully loosen the bugs and grime. Next, take a soft microfiber cloth and gently rub the surface in a circular motion. The bugs will start to come off easily. Continue this process by dipping the microfiber cloth in clean water and rubbing the vehicle surface to remove the bugs completely. Repeat these steps until all dead bugs are removed from the car's surface. Finally, rinse the entire vehicle thoroughly with clean water. By using this simple and effective method, you can easily clean and remove dead bugs from your car. A damp, dry sheet gently lifts and dissolves bug residue without scratching your car's surface. Rinse the areas of the car affected by bugs with water. Then, wet a dry sheet with water and gently rub the car surface in a continuous motion to remove the dead bugs. Rinse the area with water. Use a new dry sheet to clean other parts of the car. Once all the bugs are removed, rinse the entire area thoroughly with water. By using this method, you can easily clean and remove dead bugs from your car. With these simple tools and effective methods, keeping your car free of dead bugs is easy and helps maintain its shine and protection.